What's up everyone? Thanks for coming back. This video, we want to go over why selling PPC isn't hard. There's a lot of feelings around that, but I get it. Launching new services is intimidating, especially if you don't have a lot of experience with PPC. But that's why we want you to join us as a reseller. At TheHOTH, we have give or take 8 or plus couple of years of experience in digital marketing. All of our campaign managers are Google Ads certified. We don't mess around. The PPC services you sell to clients will deliver. Period. The end. Thank you, Judge Judy. The results will make them happy, and that means more business for, well, you. The truth is, selling PPC doesn't have to be hard. In this video, we're going to explore 3 of the most common misconceptions people have about PPC, right? So let's get started. The first one, I need to be a PPC expert. That's a lie. I don't even know what PPC stands for, and I'm still sitting here selling it. Kidding. Being effective with Google Ads requires a lot of technical expertise in the platform, and these skills can take some years to develop. Luckily for you, reselling PPC does not require this level of expertise. All you need is a general understanding of Google Ads. That way, we can find out what the client needs and what their goals are. In fact, knowing too much can be a little confusing. Keep it simple, less is more. They don't want to hear about the intricacies of the Google Ad algorithm or elite bidding strategies. You'll lose them. They want results, they want numbers, give them dollar signs. Trust me, there's no better way to lose their attention and make them feel nervous about coming on with you than over-explaining PPC. Ultimately, you need to focus on highlighting the broader benefits of paid advertising. Get out of the weeds, let us handle the technical side. Misconception 2, I need to do all of the work. Take a breather here. You won't need to hire another person just to manage all the new PPC work you're going to be getting. And you're not going to have to do it either. We're stepping in. Nothing needs to be done in-house. We're going to be working with you specifically, TheHOTH and you, mano a mano. So we already have a dashboard set up. You've probably already seen it if you've been working with us SEO, but if you're still new to us, check it out. Log into your account. You're probably not going to see much, but you're going to get the interface of how we laid this all out. You're going to be able to access all of your reports, download analytics. You're going to have everything at your fingertips right within your own HOTH headquarters, aka your dashboard. Our PPC experts, we're going to take care of everything else on our end. From the research, we're going to take care of the landing pages, we're going to take care of the ads account if you don't have it set up yet. Or if you already do, we're going to work right out of that as well. So everything's going to be streamlined on our end. That way, all you have to do is just communicate with us and hand the reports off at the end. Communication is key here. Just remember that. In fact, our reseller program will save you time, and you can even use it to develop more business, because the best way to get more sales is leverage those existing SEO clients. Misconception 3, I need tens of thousands of dollars to start running campaigns. Listen, I get it, you're not Bezos, and it doesn't matter. Even though we work with clients whose budgets are large, yours doesn't have to be. One of the main benefits of partnering with TheHOTH to resell PPC is that we can make everything scalable. We can start small, we can start medium, we can start large, wherever is perfect for you. The one thing that we need to do is just making sure that you're at a good price point to start seeing those results that we're going to be talking about with the clients. So making sure the expectations are set, and we can go through all this with your call with us, one of the account managers, and make sure that you're going to be at a great price point that's going to be good to stick your feet in, but you're not diving into the pool completely. We can work with everyone from that corner bagel store to high-powered law firms. PPC ad spends are solely based on a client's budget and goals. The price of Google Ads also varies based on industry and competition. So there's no one size fits all for strategy. It's always going to be case by case, but that's why we have to look into it every website by website. If you have more questions about selling PPC, feel free to book a call with us. You'll see the link down below.